going to show you when to harvest your sweet corn, and it's not that complicated. All you have to do is look at the tassels. These are the tassels. I'm saying tassels too much. These ones are green. You want to find brown ones that are all dried up, so these won't do. I'll actually taste one for you. Yeah, not very good. Hey, here's a brown one. Now this is a way that you can test if it's ripe without ripping it off the plant or spoiling it. Just take off that little top part and dig your fingernail into one of the kernels. What you're looking for is a milky juice. This one's almost there, but it's a bit too clear and watery. So don't worry about that one. It'll still live and it'll still ripen. Just wrap it back up and say sorry for opening it too early. So I'm going to go away for the weekend, and when I get back, we'll see how the corn's doing. It looks pretty good. I could wait a little longer, but curiosity got the best of me. Let's take this beaten up corn and eat it. There it is.